name's Charlene Ware, and I'm a registered dietitian with SIU Med School in the Culinary Medicine Department and also the Department of GIM. I'm here to show you that a way to boost your mood. You know, this time we're all kind of home more, we're feeling a little bit unsure about things, and perhaps a little sunshine in our soul would be a good thing. So I have a recipe for you to make a wonderful blueberry smoothie. We're going to start with a banana. You want to put that in a blender. This is my Vitamix that I love, but any kind of blender will work, just a banana. And then we're going to add a couple of cups of fresh or frozen blueberries, whatever you have. And that's the secret to this smoothie, is the blueberries, because British researchers did some studies and found that blueberries actually boost your mood. All you need is a cup and a half, and up to 5 hours afterwards, people were feeling better about things. So this may be a little secret to get us through this time. Once you've got your blueberries, another secret ingredient is going to be fresh ginger. Now, if you're not familiar with fresh ginger, this is what it looks like, kind of a gnarly thing. What you want to do is cut about a quarter wide piece off, peel it, and then pop it in there. I went ahead and cut it up as well. You don't have to do that, but you can. You can let the blender do that, but fresh ginger gives it such a fresh flavor. It's wonderful. Then we're going to use a half a cup of apple juice. And when you're looking for apple juice, you want to get 100% juice, the real thing. You don't want to get the fruit cocktail kind of thing where it's just fruit flavored water. You actually want fruit juice, which is wonderful. And then to give our smoothie some protein, which is so important, I've chosen some low-fat Greek yogurt. Now, this is a light and fit. It's a vanilla flavored. If you prefer the plain, you can do that. But this really boosts the protein. In fact, in this one, the protein on this is 14 grams per cup. So that's a big boost that we can get. So we're going to put our yogurt in there. And again, just make sure it's a Greek yogurt. This is 8 ounces. So I measured it out ahead of time that we can do. And then we're going to add some ice. Now, if you're one that doesn't like it quite as slushy, you don't have to do that, but I tend to prefer my smoothies to be slushy. So we're going to give it a rip. And there you go. As fast as that, we have a blueberry ginger smoothie ready to give us a little mood boost, feeling a little better, and a whole lot of nutrition. Enjoy.